check out this question, it reminds my grandmother. My grandmother, she goes, baby, when you finish your math, you know what? She called me now. We used to have very small. I keep this phone because it reminds me of grandma. You see these small phones? Since back in the days, I had this because it reminded me of my grandmother. So she said, baby, I miss you. I'll be like, oh, grandma, I miss you too. So you know what? Because you guys, you send me message. Say, yo, Matrana, he miss you. We miss you. And I miss you too. That's why I'm here. Okay. Now let's get started. So this question is way easy. Let's get started. Let me show you how we can solve this question. Way easy. Okay. Easy, man. Okay. Let's get a pen. I like right pen. Right is good. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'll take the two face. I'm not going to take all of it. And then I'll finish one letter. I'm going to do the look. So I'm going to say, okay. So if I take this, okay, let me make, it depends which one I want to finish. Let me say I want to remove X. So if I want to remove X, means here I'm going to say, let's do this. So I remove X means, okay, this X must be the same. So here I'm going to put 3. So I'll multiply, look, I'll multiply 3 for each one. Because if it's 3 in here, 3 is going to be the same. It's going to be easy for me now. 3 times X, 3X. Why I do that? Because X and X, I want them to cancel. That's why I want to remove X. And then 3 times negative Y is going to be negative 9Y. Okay, now 3 times 6 is going to be positive 18. Z times 21 is going to be 63. Now here, like I say, I'm going to deal with these two faces. So it's going to say the way how it is, 3x plus 2y minus 5z equal to 30. And then now, since these are the same, 3x and 3x, I can simply minus. Okay, 3x minus 3x, top minus bottom. 3x minus 3x equal to 0. Negative 9 minus positive 2y is going to give me negative 11y. So I actually don't need this 0 no more. Okay, 18z minus 5 minus 5z is going to give us plus 23z, and now 63 minus 30 is going to be 33. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, you see now I got another question here. Let me label it one question. So I'm going to do the same game for, I took one the second one, so now I'm going to take the first one and the third one, or either the two, but not the same. Let me take second and third, whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to play the same game, but then I have to remove what X, so I'm going to left with the Y and Z. If I want to move X, oh yeah, X, because he also removed X. Oh my god, excuse me, sorry. So then I'm going to say, okay, well, so let's write this question aside first. So I'm going to say this one is going to be negative 7 y, okay, plus 23z equal to 33. Let's call this first equation. So now I'm going to erase, but in the exam, write everything, but I'm going to just erase so I have a space, and then I can do for the second and third, or you can take one and third, or second and third, as long as it's not the same question that we took. But write everything if it's a written exam, okay? So now I'm going to finish X. Okay, since I want to remove X, I'm going to say, okay, well, this is going to be multiplied by 3, so I can get 6, and this multiplied by 2 means, because if I multiply, this is going to be 6x, and this is going to be 6x. Bottom, look, isn't this 6x? Because my intention is to remove x, so they must be the same. 2 times 2 is going to be 4y, and then 2 times going to be negative 10z, and this is going to be negative 60. Now we'll play the same game. This is going to be 60. Now 3 times 5, negative 15. Why? Because there's a negative 3 times 2 equal to 6, but a positive 6, z, and then 3 is going to be negative 18. So now let's play the same game. 6 must go. So if 6 must go, okay, minus top minus bottom, 6x minus 6x equal to 0. I don't have to write 0. Okay, positive 4y minus 15 is going to give me positive 19y. Now, negative 10z minus plus will give us negative 16z equal to, now when you minus this is going to give a negative 78. Okay, so now the second equation is going to be negative 19y minus 16z equal to, my grandmother, she taught me, okay, equal to, now it's going to be negative 78. The second equation, okay? So now that means, this is the second equation, so, oh my god, okay, sorry. So we got two equations here, the first one. So now we can use those two equations to solve for x and z, for y and z. So we're going to use the same tactics, right? Let's solve those two questions, okay? My grandmother, look, if you FaceTime, man, leave a comment to you with Twana. I miss you too. Or you can ask me, Twana, how you doing? Give us a thought about your long time when you were young with your grandma. What did you do to upset your grandma? I gave you this thought. Okay, so now we want to finish what? Either Z or Y. Okay, let me do this. Let me get rid of Y, for example. So to get rid of Y means, let me get rid of Z. Whichever one does not matter. If I want to get rid of the Y, means I must multiply this by 19. Let me do this. Means I'll take this number here, I'll multiply here on negative 19, and this negative 11, I'm going to multiply here. And when you multiply, it's going to give something equal. Now, let's go. 19 times negative 11. Okay, let's go. Calculator now. Negative 19 times negative 11 now. Oh my God. Negative 19. Negative 19. Negative 19 times negative 11 times negative 19. Okay, this is going to give us what? 209. 209. Okay, 209. Okay. Okay, let's write 209. So positive 209. So this is going to give us positive 209. So this is going to be positive 209. What? Y. For the second one, negative 19 times 23. Negative 19 times 23. Yo, that's bigger times table. Oh my God, that's times table. Negative 19 times 23. Okay. Okay, let's just erase it. Negative 19. Negative 19 times 23. Times 23, because we multiply for the second times 23. And this is going to give us negative 437. Negative 437. Negative 437. I used to do it when my grandmother sent me to show, say, sweet and salt. So because when back in the days we used to have like a spaza shop, small shop. So you go to the shop like sweet and soap and washing powder. Sweet and soap and washing powder. All the way you run to the shop and you sing that song. Okay? So you forgot, because if you make mistake, you're gonna get whipped, capital punishment. Okay? Okay? Negative 437. Okay, negative 437. So it's gonna be negative. So it's gonna be negative 437. What? 7. Z equal to negative 19 times 33. Negative 19 times 33. So now negative 19 times 33. Negative 19 times 33. Negative 19 times 33. Okay, so negative 19 times, oh my God, okay, no, negative, I forgot the negative 19, well, I forgot the negative, negative 19 times, negative 19 times 33, okay, drink water a little bit, excuse me, and that's going to give us, quick, negative 19 times 33. Okay, negative 627. Negative 627, okay? Negative 627. So this is gonna give us negative 627. So we do the same thing for the second one, right? Negative 11 times negative 19, which is gonna give us the same number, right? Which is what? 209. Why? Now negative 11 times negative 16. Negative 11 times negative 16. Negative 11 times negative 16. Negative 11. Why negative is kind of okay? Negative 11. Negative 11 times negative 16. Negative 16. Okay, and this is going to give us. Come on. 176. Okay, 176. So this is going to be 176. So we say this and this is going to be positive. Positive 1, 7, 6, Z equal negative 11 times negative this with that. Negative 11 times negative 7, 8. Negative 11 times negative 7, 8. Okay? Negative negative 11 times negative 78. 78. Come on, let's get an answer right now. Let's go. Let's give an answer. Okay. 858. Okay, 858. Okay. So this is going to give us 858. It's going to be 8. 8. So what we're going to do right now, what we're going to do, we're going to simply minus, because these are the same here. 209, 291. So we're going to minus. Top minus bottom means this plus that, top to the bottom. So it's going to be 0. I don't have to write 0. Now we go negative 4, like negative 4, 3, 7, minus, plus, which is this one, plus what? 1, plus 1, 7, 6. Okay. Okay, let's plug in the calculator, that one. Let's plug it. Okay, so we say negative 437, 437, 43. Oh, minus. I forgot to say minus. Must be minus. Okay. And then we say minus and then plus 176. 176. Oh, plus minus those. I forgot when I was grade 2. Okay. It's going to be negative 613. Negative 613. Negative 613. So negative 613. So we're going to say negative 613. So this is going to be negative 613. So this and this is going to be negative. Let's use a black color here. Negative 613. What? Z equal. Now we take that minus that. So it's negative 627 minus what? Minus positive 858. We want to see what we're going to get. Without calculator, with calculator. I think I can do without calculator, right? Oh, let me use a calculator. I don't like to use without calculator. Okay. My grandmother, she told me, don't use a calculator, baby. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to say she's not here, so I'm just cheating. 6 to 7 minus 858 and this is gonna be negative 231 negative 231 negative 231 negative 231. No, I'm wrong, bro. I forgot to put negative there. I'm sorry, people. I'm sorry, my beautiful friend. My grandmother said, hey, yeah. Okay, now let's get that. Put the negative there. Now we say that's gonna be let's go, man. Come on. Oh, okay, so negative 1485. Negative 1485. Okay, negative 1485. So this is gonna be negative 1485. Negative 1. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Negative 1. It's going to be negative 4. Negative 1485. My grandma said, go to shop, baby. Start to sing. 1485. So I don't need this one here. This one will just write it, so I'm not going to. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to divide by negative 61213 through up. So we're going to say, well, let's divide throughout by 613 and divide by negative 613. This and this cancel, so z equal to negative is going to be positive 1485 divided by 613. Okay, 1485 5 and then divide by 613. So I made a mistake somewhere because it's not supposed to be fraction, it has to be pure number, okay? So I need to check my mistake and correct my mistake. You understand what I'm saying? Now, nanny. Okay. So where my mistake at? Let's see my mistake, right? I'll show you now where my mistake at.